Today in the Daily Dose, the Middle Passage. From the 16th century to the abolition of slavery in America in 1865, some 12.5 million Africans were torn from their families, homelands, and languages, forced into slavery in a triangular trade route known as the Middle Passage. The first leg of the passage witnessed the imprisonment of Africans after their capture by enemy tribes, before being traded for goods at African slave markets by European and American slave traders. Separated by sex, new slaves were crammed aboard ships known as Guineamen, who hailed mainly from ports in Portugal, Holland, France, England, and America. Packed into the unventilated holds of Guineamen, so tightly that people frequently lacked enough space to sit down or move around. During the approximate 80-day passage to North and South America, some 15% would die from dehydration, starvation, or disease. Those who survived would be sold at auction after their arrival into the Americas, while the proceeds formed the third leg of the Middle Passage, when slavers returned home with cargoes full of hides, tobacco, sugar, and rum. Conditions aboard Guineamen were frequently unbearable for slaves and crewmen alike, and while slaves lacked daylight or movement, crewmen were forced to sleep on open decks to maximize the human cargo below. Most crewmen were forced into the slave trade by dishonest barkeeps in collusion with slavers, who fed them vast amounts of alcohol, and when a given prospect drank beyond his ability to pay, their only choice was to sign on to Guineamen for impossibly low wages, taking the lives of an estimated 20% of crewmen during the 246-year history of slavery in North America. Profit-driven slave traders enjoyed reduced payouts due to crew fatalities, while many of those who survived the return trip to Europe or America were frequently cheated out of wages altogether. Crewmen frequently raped female slaves below deck, while many slaves resisted their imprisonment through hunger strikes or suicide jumps from Guineamen decks. Over the centuries, many African tribesmen, such as the crew, developed a reputation of proud resistance to the prospect of enslavement, leading to mass suicides that severely impacted a slave trader's bottom line. The number of deaths caused by suicide or hunger strikes has been estimated at 2 million lives, while those who died during forced marches to African slave markets and brutal voyages to the New World took the lives of an estimated 2 million more, making slavery in the Middle Passage one of the worst inhumanities in the history of man. And there you have it, the Middle Passage, today on the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose. And if you enjoyed today's episode, share the link with a friend or colleague so that they too can learn something new every day.